Hello everyone, we are at Imtex 2024 at Hall 4 at the stall of Valgro, and I am in conversation with Mr. Samir Mapara from Ultratech Mumbai. He is the customer of Valgro since long back and would like to hear from you, sir, what technologies of Valgro you have adopted at your shop floor and how was your experience working with Valgro India?
We have got many machines from Valgro, to be precise, like tube polishing machines, edge finishing, deburring machine, what you call, and 1-2 mini stations we have bought from them, along with some hand polishers and all that. The experience was very good. The machines gave a very good, whatever our requirement was there, it has been fulfilled in the finishing of our product. Our basic, the finishing required is for the copper material, and we got that finished. The service was good, and the machine found to be very compact and cost saving, efficient and all.
It is also a proudly Make in India machine.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
what would you like to add to the campaign Make in India, and also in order to adopt the new technology by Valgro again, what you would like to adopt?
In the coming year, I see India is a manufacturing hub. I have been exporting my material to many European countries, and there we used to found little problem like heart is good, the product is good, but the finishing what they require, the aesthetic value of the product is very important. So for that, this Valgro machine has helped me a lot. Meeting their requirements compared to European and Turkish, where our competitor lies, we are able to now promote our product to those countries.
It was nice to hear this from you, sir.
Yeah.
And definitely India is growing and companies like Valgro are prominently contributing to the growth.
Definitely.
Thank you so much for sharing your insights. Thanks a lot.